A water balloon.
Think of these thoughts as limitless light. It stars and claws and circuitry to fight. Think of each moment, holding this breath as death, minute and decimal.
President Minor, how do you need your destiny only understand? Son is here to help you for your peace, son, now raise your right hand.
Father, your honor, may I explain? My brain has claimed its glory over me. I've a good heart, albeit insane.
Condemned into the infirmary.
All mine towers crumble down, the flowers gasping under rubble, striking in the hollow wall. Thy genius sates a thirst for charcoal, scattering sparks of thought energy. Deliver me and carry me away.
In my kingdom, learn my rule, I order you to color and pray.
Non-sentence incanting as the lightning strikes down temples, thus electrifying thine chambers, holy scorching out thine sovereign Jesus. Hurling down thy majesty, I beg of thee, have mercy on me. I was just a boy, you see, I plead of thee, have sympathy for me.
See how the earth work the ground.
See how they
And they give it all they've got. And they give it all they've got. And you give it all you've got to down.
see how the brain plays around. See how the brain plays around, and you fall inside a hole you couldn't see, and you fall inside a hole inside of someone. Help me understand what's going on inside my mind. Doctor, I can't tell if I'm not me. When it grows bright, the particles start to marvel, having made it through the night. Never they ponder whether electric calming will end it right.
Tell me how you're sleeping easy, how you're only thinking of yourself. Show me how you justify telling all your lies was second nature. Listen, mark my words, one day you will pay, you will pay. Karma's gonna come collect your debt.
Till lights off, let me write my memory on your eyelids. Make my eyes, my eyes, my eyes, my eyes.
My name's SpongeStar, at the Krusty Krab I flip hat high. I live inside a house of fruit. Now hear me play my sponge tart flute.
My name's Patrick, let it be known.
You better stop shooting me, or I am going to swear.
What? Wait, what did he say?
Please and home now, let us run. We think we'll have so much fun.
Security system takes control of Squidward's house and begins attacking the city, leaving the mayor to give Squidward community service for the damage he caused.
All the hoes they call me Grinch, I still gifts, don't you snitch. I steal every single gift as far as the eye can see. I still gifts even the bow. Tiptoe, watch me go, taking all these gifts until there's nothing under the tree. Oh, shit.